Hey, this is the BizFoot. In the previous video, we went over AI integration within Meta in the campaign settings. Now let's go over and see how we can use artificial intelligence to optimize the actual creatives as well as the copyright of your advertisement within the Meta ad platform, encompassing Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and millions of websites. So this platform pretty much covers it all, and this part's very important because the ad billions of people will see is all set up here. So within the third part of the ad set, so we have the campaign, the ad set, and the ad unit. So within the ad unit here, we customize the actual ad. We have your Facebook page, us being the BizFoot, ad setup. We can either, so this part, media setup, this is actually an AI element here. Advantage catalog ads. If, for example, you're running ads to Shopify, you can upload your catalog within catalog settings, which is another part of your business manager, and automatically upload your catalog by linking Shopify, and it'll automatically feed in products that have an availability, and it'll pretty much show the top performers, whatever people are clicking and checking out. This Advantage Plus will use AI to show your top performing products. A very important element here. But for example, if we're not selling a product or it's just one product, we want to use our own image here. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how to do that. And let's go ahead and scroll down to format, single image, multi-advertiser ads. We check these off. It could potentially make your ads a little bit cheaper because you're pretty much plugging in your ads with others. But once in a while we do this, but usually not. So let's go ahead and use our website, bizfoot.club, as our final destination. Display link. Here you can actually use browser add-ons, so you can actually add a functioning call button within your ad, which could be pretty handy. For this campaign, for this ad unit, I mean, we don't want to do that. So the ad creative here, this is the next portion that utilizes artificial intelligence. Let's go ahead straight to media. We're gonna add in one of our images here of ourselves and click next. Advertisers. Right, so this uses AI to basically automatically create variations of your image. As you can see, there's some fairly funny ones, but it'll mess around with the colors because certain colors do perform better. So for example, we can click on, let's say, 3, and you can actually play around with this and for example, upload your logo, add in a bunch of stuff on here and just really play around with customizations. So it's pretty cool. It's like ChatGPT, image generation, but for your ad, which is pretty sweet and does save a lot of time because you don't have to go to Canva or all these other things. You can just do it straight within Facebook, which if you're running ads seriously like a pro, you don't have time to do that all day. You want to get straight to the ads, and you can do all of that right here. So here you can do other enhancement, all AI, overlays, visual touch-up, text improvements, site links. All of these things will be A/B tested. So we would have a team doing. Basically, AI does all on its own, and that's kind of what I say, that AI kind of levels the playing field. I mean, you can be a single advertiser and run campaigns better than a team of 20 people because AI will A/B test. What took a lot of people to do, AI will pretty much do it for you. Even now, let's get to the cool part here. Let's do primary test. Best tree supplies for Bigfoots. There you go. Best tree supplies. Let's just do best tree supplies because I don't know how AI is gonna work with that. Best tree supplies. Generate variations. Enter a minimum of 4 words. Best tree supplies for your lawn. There we go. Let's see what it does. So as you can see, AI here is thinking, and boom, it will actually create AI variations, and you can generate more, and it will automatically A/B test the winners as you're running the ads and even the headlines. Boom. So you can see this is incredibly powerful here. Optimize text per person. Yeah, and you can even do this now, optimize text per person. So based even, this is crazy. I mean, I think this is actually fairly new, is you can optimize per every single person that views your ad. Facebook knows them and better than their own mother probably. And you can optimize that text to literally suit that individual person based on their likes and interests and whatever the ever evolving algorithm decides their personality to be. It's going to optimize this. So imagine this is going to take hundreds and thousands of different A/B tests potentially per small audiences. I mean, this would take a whole team weeks and weeks and weeks of time in A/B testing and headaches. And this basically can be done now in 3 minutes. So this levels the field on advertising, and I think this is amazing because as a solo advertiser, I mean, you can do what 50 people would do, and constantly A/B and split testing you can basically do on your own and have your AI army basically optimize. So yeah, pretty amazing. So then it all comes down to your product, right? If your ads are amazing and you're getting clicks, which you should after a while of advertising, then it comes down to your offer, your price point, your website, credibility, all of that. And we'll make guides on some of those things down the road as well. So yeah, AI is pretty sweet. All right, Bizfoot out.